This is the OxyData device, which is advanced oxygen or medical gas analyzer. This device is used to measure the four things, which is purity, pressure, flow, and temperature. And for the device, there is an app which is OxyData app. So this is the splash screen for the app, and this is the main home page, or we can say the landing page for the app. So from here we can connect to the devices. So it is the local device, so we will connect through local device, and in the local device, so you can see the same data is been displayed in the screen for the mobile, and for the left side of the screen it is showing the graph, and in the right side it's showing the numerical values. So when we will click on the numerical value or the card, so here you can adjust the limit for the maximum and minimum limit for the same, and if we change the limits and click on the OK button, so the limits will get updated, and you can see the error is being shown, and in the bottom bar of the screen the error will be displayed, which is purity is higher than the set limit, and we can mute and unmute it as well. So if we will change it from the device, it will also get updated. And click on the OK button, and see the error is gone. And this was the thing for the home screen. And now we will go to the reports screen. Here you can see there are four options provided, which is current report, daily report, weekly report, and monthly report. In the current report, it will show the current reading. We can add the remarks if any. And here you can see the current reading for the device from where it is started, and you can click on the report button, and you can the report gets downloaded in the download section of your file explorer, as well as you can select the device or the editor you want to see the report, and here is the report. Same goes with the daily one. In the daily, there will be option of selecting the single date, which is 13th. So same the remarks button, and here it will show the daily chart, or basically the reading of for the daily. It's showing the readings from 0 to 24, which is for 24 hours. And same thing for the report, and the report will get displayed. For weekly, in the weekly we have to select the date range. If we select the 13th, it will select from Saturday to Sunday. So it is saying Sunday to Saturday. And report thing, same thing here. And for the monthly, the same thing will go. And so this was the local device mode.